What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Guys, Polygon is absolutely pumping through the roof right now. I was at the gym. I started walking home, and one of my subscribers messaged me on IG, and he's like, bro, Polygon is pumping. I opened the chart, and I was like, I get on my skateboard, and I'm pushing as hard as I can to get back home here. Holy smokes, guys. I just took some juicy profits as we're absolutely pumping. So I took some profits here at $1.36. I had a beautiful date last night with a light-skinned African beauty, and but it was a little bit pricey. However, I made it back in a couple minutes because of crypto and Polygon here. So we're sitting at $1.36. Wow, guys, over the last 24 hours, we're up almost 20%. We're sitting at a market cap 8.79 billion. 24-hour volume has spiked through the roof all the way up to 1.56 billion. Incredible to see, guys, but we are going to see a pullback. If you'd like to join the world's fastest crypto growing app, please sign up to my referral for crypto.com. So let's pop into it, guys. So holy moly guacamole, guys, we've just absolutely pumped through the roof. We're heading up to that price target $1.37, which is the 0.786 extension that we have been covering on the channel. You can see we've come right up to it. I have taken profits at $1.36 just due to the fact that look how overbought we are, guys, on the 4-hour chart. We're just pumping. And I came home and I looked at my leverage trade and I was up like 400%, and I'm like, okay, that locks in some profits. But you do you, guys. But we are going to see a correction. It is imminent here. Look how overbought we are here on the 4-hour. So $1.37 could act as a level of resistance here. But if we just break through $1.37 and then we back to as support, we need the RSI to come back down. So if we break through and then we see a little bit of correction here and we see the RSI come back down, there is a possibility that we could continue to pump here, but the correction is going to be swift and it's going to be quick, in my opinion. When you start to see some sell-off, it could sell off quite hard. Wow, guys, at $1.37, absolutely unbelievable. All right, guys, so we're going to pop into the daily chart. So, guys, this pattern, this juicy pattern from this bull pennant that I showed for you guys, if you guys entered a trade here, you're already up over 28% in profits, and if you're trading with leverage, could be much more. Please check out my full length tutorial. Sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses, currently only until August 18th. So we're here on the daily. We're starting to trend into overbought for Polygon here. So I do think we'll see some sell-off pretty soon, guys. We're so overextended and the sell-off could be swift here. So not financial advice, but don't hesitate to lock in some of those juicy profits, especially if you're trading or if you're with leverage. And if you're just an investor, I'm also an investor in Polygon. You're just smiling and laughing and you're super happy like me right now. Okay, guys, let's pop over to Ethereum. Wow, incredible, guys. We're all the way up to 3271, that level of resistance that I had dropped in on the channel. Now our correction might be quite steep, guys. We could come all the way back to 2762 when we do see that sell-off here. Due to the fact that we're just pumping, guys. It would be unbelievable, in my opinion, if we were to see consolidation in between 2944 and 3271. If we were to consolidate and allow the EMAs to just catch back up here on the daily, that would be absolutely insane, in my opinion, because I do think we could anticipate quite a significant sell-off here, as this is just an unbelievable pump. So if we break through 3271, guys, there's really not a lot of support and resistance in this area. So you're basically, your next target is up here, which is basically your high at 4163, which is absolutely insane. 100% we are going to see a correction before getting there, guys. We're so overextended on the daily. We're starting to see a little bit of a bearish divergence here. You can see we created a high right here, and now we're creating a higher high on the RSI. We're creating a lower high, so a little bit of bearish divergence on the RSI. On the hourly, we need to correct, guys. We're getting too overextended. It's beautiful, it's fun to watch, and there's juicy profits to be made if you're a smart trader and you know to lock it in sometime. Wow, guys, $1.38. Holy shit. This is absolutely insane, guys. But be very cautious, because what can happen is we see some very quick sell-off. We come back down possibly to $1.23 here, that major level that we just absolutely smashed. Previous swing high, that was such a major level, and we just absolutely blown through it. So we could, if we do see sell-off, it can be swift, it can be quick. So do keep that in mind, guys, when we pump like this. It would be absolutely mind-boggling incredible if we just break through this and back to as support and consolidate and allow the RSI to come back down in the healthy range and allow the EMAs to catch. That would blow my mind. But honestly, I think a larger correction is due in the overall market. I will do an update video for Bitcoin as well as some other coins, because the entire market almost is just pumping to the roof right now. So we're currently, wow, unbelievable that we're at $1.37. We're overbought, guys, on the hourly, on the 4 hour. As you can see on the hourly, look how overbought we are. If I drop a line in, I'm just going to take this out. It's distracting. It looks like some sort of weird banana. I'm just going to drop this line in here. Oh my God, absolutely humiliating as usual. Okay, let me drop in this line here. So you see how extremely overbought we are. See how we came up and we had some sell-off right here when we're extremely overbought. And that wasn't even as overbought as we are now. But if we scroll back here on the hourly, you can see we haven't been that overbought for just ages. Absolutely ages. Look at this, guys. This was the last time and we didn't even touch it. And that was back in April, all right, guys? We have not been this overbought in months and months and months. So a sell-off is going to come. A correction has to come, guys. You can't just pump. Wow, back at $1.38, extremely juicy. If you can't just pump, or everyone would be on vacation and quit their 9-to-5s and drinking margaritas. So guys, please be cautious right now. Please don't hesitate to take some profits, not financial advice. Look how overbought we are on the 4 hour chart, guys. We see right here how we became more overbought. I'm going to give you guys an example. So right here, we came up to about 92 on the RSI right here. We had a steep correction. So it's coming, guys. A correction will come. Wow, man, I should have waited. I sold at $1.36. That's okay though. I like to lock into my profits than to, you know, see it just drop off, guys. So the correction will come. It is imminent. So just trade cautiously, guys. Beautiful. Your levels of support: $1.23, absolutely massive level of support. $1.15 and $1.02, but that's a little bit more unlikely right now in my opinion. $1.15 and $1.23. Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can receive an awesome Visa card where you get cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia benefits, Airbnb benefits for my travelers out there, right guys? They have so many benefits to their company here. If we look over their products, they have their exchange, they have margin trading, derivatives chain trading, they have their wallet, they have Earn, Swap, they have their metal Visa cards, Crypto.com Pay, Crypto Earn, up to 14% interest on your coins, crypto credit, crypto.org chain, and you can also pay for business. This is my favorite app for investing, guys. Please check it out and sign up through my referral to receive $25 for free. They just partnered with the UFC, which is absolutely legendary. They're going to the moon with Matic right now apparently, but a correction is due. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you brought some value. I hope you're as excited as I am from this juicy pump. I just locked in some extremely juicy gains that completely paid for my date and much more. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Hope you have a terrific day, and I'll see you in the next video. More videos to come today as the market is pumping. ADA, I'm also in a position for ADA for Cardano, and it's just making me some juicy gains. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.